So it's Saturday just before 9 AM and the ticket office is actually shut. Well, it's Britain, what do you expect? Good morning and welcome to another video. Today I'm in Bolton. Never been before. Why I'm in Bolton, you might ask? Well, not Manchester. Been there a lot of times, so let's try something a bit different. I've just arrived from where I was staying. Let's go and check out the town. Not quite sure what I was expecting, to be honest. It's all a bit nondescript, isn't it? There's no real standout shops or anything like that. At least they're open, most of them. I'm guessing this is the town hall. Nice little fountain outside. Weird looking Christmas tree. Let's look up where this Chadwick fella is. Right, moving onwards. A war memorial. The men and women of Bolton who gave their lives in the Great War 1914, 1919 and 1939, 1945. I don't think there's such a thing as a Great War, is there? Maybe Star Wars. I'm heading towards the marketplace shopping centre. See if it's any good. The street's a bit nicer. It's got plenty of shops on. They look more like independent places. Pound Bakery. Lunch ideas, a bit early for that though. What else we got down here? It's alright, isn't it? Coffee house. Little railway shop. H&M. Well, that were a tad disappointing, just been in Primark. And they don't sell shirts. What's going on? There's some nice looking old buildings. Bank. They're obviously new. Look at this though. Really nice shop here. Friendly staff. Prices are reasonable for decent clothes, I suppose. So yeah, if you need a new shirt or a pair of trousers, come on down to Slater's. Be a regular thing, I guess. Let's have a look. Plenty of clothes. Yeah, more clothes. Lots of ethnic style clothes, I guess. Carpets. Or rugs, I suppose. What else we got? Fruit and veg. I think it's to this shop though. This is a proper market. Let's have a look inside, shall we? Strawberries in winter, you fucking having a laugh? We'll be back home and just getting them, but in England, we've flown in from somewhere. Strawberries, 2 for £3. At least it's busy. Plenty of folk around. I don't think that's our Malta. Ooh, cheeses. Olives. Barley type stuff, I guess. Butcher's shops. Oh, fish. I love a smelly fish market. Goat heads. I think I'm alright for goat heads. Crabs. Oh, two bits of crab. Oh, halal meat. Pork ribs. The black pudding on. Pork marrow bones. Oh, our dog would have loved that. Pork rib, black puds with chilli, black pudding. More fish. Sorry. It's good to see a busy market. Pheasants. Steaks for £10. 5 quid a tray, 7 quid a tray, wow. We're back into clothes and stuff. Jewellery. So some alternative style t-shirts. Indonesian food. Candy Crush. No. Big dog beds. I'm at Officer's Cafe in Bolton, near the market. Actually in the market. Just having a bit of a sit down and a cup of tea. Cheers. So let me ask you, when was the last time you went to your local market? If you live in Bolton, please, for the love of God, don't let them do what they did in Doncaster and Sheffield and turn it into a bloody food court with overpriced shit food and beer. Come here, do your shopping, support these local businesses, because if you don't, it'll be gone and they won't ever come back. There's a few more people around now. When they just don't like getting up early in Bolton. I'm standing outside one of Bolton's most popular takeaway food shops. It's Carr's Pasties. I got one of their meat and potato pasties, which they said is the most popular. It's not a bad size, it's bloody hot, I'll tell you that much. Let's have a look. It's quite squishy. See how warm that is. £2.45. Heading out away from the town centre now. A few bars and pubs around. Let's cross over again. Quite a few different places. Now, I've had this one recommended to me. If you look, it says it was from 1251 and rebuilt in 1636. I think it's still a bit early, but let's have a quick look around. Plenty of history of the place on the walls. And they have t-shirts for sale as well. I've gone for a pint of the Rocking Rudolph because 5p goes to Macmillan Cancer Support. That's a nice looking pub. Barmaid was quite friendly, and let's try this beer. Always got a nice rich taste to it. Not very gassy, not really a problem. Almost some chocolatey flavour to it. Nice beer for a winter day. I would recommend it if you're coming down here. Looking forward to finishing this off. Well, it's nice in there. It got quite busy actually. Would I recommend it? Definitely. Love to do a pub crawl in Bolton if I had the chance. Maybe next time I'm around. Right, there's a place called Ye Olde Pasty Shopping. I'm going to give that a go. Well, that's a bit disappointing. Come on, this bloody in it. Shut. Well, I think I'm just about done with my day in Bolton. I'm going to head back to the railway station. What can I say about the place? I'm quite pleased to see it's busy. There's plenty of people around the sort of main shopping area. That market was lovely. Lots of stalls, lots of people around. So yeah, I would definitely make sure that if you're in Bolton, go there and do some shopping. It looks like a great place to go. That pub was nice. Pity that pasty shop was closed. So I'm just heading back to the railway station now. Now, over 90% of my viewers are not subscribers. So, if you have been watching, please like and subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything. It really helps me out if you do. Now, if you have been watching, thank you. I'll see you on the next one.